Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. First of all, let's not even comment on the fact that I'm wearing a robe. I'm feeling lazy. It's Saturday afternoon. Like, I've just gotten out of the shower. Like, you should be happy I've just had a shower, so let's not talk about it. And also apologies, I haven't filmed in a minute. I have been really busy and tired, and just life, so don't expect me to be filming every second of every day. I do have a full-time job as well, so get off my back about that. But anyways, if you are loving my channel and you are liking my content, please like or subscribe to my channel, and please comment on my videos because it really helps in bringing it up to other people's feeds and kind of getting my videos out there. If you're enjoying them, share them with someone else, vice versa. So as the video's title suggests, today I'm going to be sharing with you my top 5 favorite brushes that I've recently bought from Sephora. I did get a couple in a splurge, I guess you could say. So these are my top 5 from that, so let's get on with it. Also, please note the brushes aren't like amazingly clean because I literally just use them to do this look, okay? Because I'm not painting my face with my fingers. And if I love a brush, I'm obviously going to keep using it because, you know, like, I like it. So first brush I have is the Zoeva Luxe Face Focus. It's got this beautiful teardrop-esque shape to the end of the brush. And it's also sable hair, so it picks up the product really well, and it's got this beautiful shape, as I'm sure you guys can see, that fits right underneath the eye. So I use this brush to pack the under eye with powder, do a little baking, whatever, so on and so forth. I also use it to get into the sides of my nose with a bit of powder because we can all get a little bit of, you know, slimy in there. And I also do my bottom chin as well to avoid any shine. Now, that's all good and everything like that, but what I have discovered using this brush lately is when I'm doing like a smoky eye or a blown out kind of shadow look, I really like the shadow to kind of have that, you know, smoky, draped out kind of effect. And when I have baked my under eye, the beautiful tip on this brush is awesome at buffing out and kind of tapering that shape and diffusing any of the eyeshadow of the shadow look. So it's amazing for really getting in there and having it look really seamless, flawless, awesome, you know the rest. So this brush I really recommend. Zoeva, she's not expensive, she's German, hashtag efficient, so about 20 bucks from Sephora. She's awesome, you need to get it. Actually all of the brushes I have are Sephora except for one, are Zoeva except for one, so like if that's not saying something, I mean, I'm not gonna say it. But so the next brush that I'm loving is the 110 Face Shape Brush by, again, Zoeva. So this guy is actually a synthetic sable blend. So it's got synthetic tips on it. So not only is this great to use with powder products, it's also awesome at using products that have like emollients, oils, all that kind of stuff, cream products, and initially on the description of the website it was all like, you can use this to contour and do powder and da-da-da, but it is so much more than just your powder products. I mean, I used this cream kind of pencil stick today on my face, and I used this guy to buff it out, and it did not budge my foundation underneath. It didn't smear it unnecessarily. It had really great control over the brush, so it's just awesome to use. And I'm probably like the rest of the other people out there, and I get a little bit like scared of cream products because I'm like, but you ain't powder, like what am I doing with you? Cream, you kind of like, you're sticky, you're wet, like. But no, today I actually did a full face of pretty much like a wet dewy look, and this guy was my savior to kind of contour those cheeks, because like when I'm on camera I look like 10 times whiter, like it's like that. So anyways, we'll go to another Zoeva brush. Okay, so the next one I have, it's called the Luxe Face Paint Brush. It's the 109. This guy I've actually added to my kit, so it's not my personal use. I used it on myself first, and I was like, hold up, like, did I? My contour is looking amazing. I did that. Like, of course I did that. So I'm going to bring that to my kit and let my clients have that amazingness. So that's exactly what I did with this. So I guess the most awesome part about it is probably the shape. So you've got a duality to this brush in the way that you've got a flat surface or longer surface and then a really thin surface of defining those parts of your face. Now, it's awesome on the cheeks in that you can really make that tapered triangular look to really cut the cheek in, make it look, you know, cheeks up here, all that good. But I really love using this for when my clients have a bit more of a flatter nose shape, or, you know, you just really want that kind of snatched look to the appearance. So I use whatever excess I have left over of my contour powder that I've just used on the client's cheek wherever I've contoured, and I kind of buff the nose and give them a really nice snatched look. So it's very subtle, it's got a gorgeous blend to it. The bristles are so soft and they feel divine. Even clients saying, oh my god, it feels so nice, it's great. So that's what I do with this bad boy. Again, nothing over $20 I don't think here, and I mean, freelance makeup artist, I'm using it in my kit, it's awesome. You don't have to spend a lot of money on your brushes, guys and gals, okay? My next one is, I don't know, I've had this thing about concealer brushes lately. I've been buying like millions of them. I think I have like 5 in my personal desk brush thingy here, and then I've got like 4 in my kit. So take me to concealer brush timeout. But I've got this concealer buffer. It's the 142 by Zoeva, however you say it. So again, this is your gorgeous little synthetic bristles, which are great for mixing those emollients, creamy products, etc. So this is awesome for under the eyes, or if you want to use a really precise concealing technique to brighten the eye, to conceal bags, all that kind of stuff. I really find it's awesome in the hollows under the eyes because it's got that lovely rounded shape, so it fits really snugly in there. It's great for buffing out. I use it with my Becca eye brightening cream and just kind of buff and then use concealer over the top. Again, it's amazing. It doesn't, you know, rip off that product underneath that you've just laid down. It blends. It's awesome. It's delicious. We love all the Zoeva brushes. Like, they're just chic. They're awesome. Like, we love her. Bang bang. I don't want to break them, obviously. Like, let's not. So I've left my favorite current brush for last, and that would have to be the Hoola bronzing brush. I mean, like, goddamn, look at how sexy that brush is. It's beautiful, and I'm obsessed with this color here, so of course I had to have it. And again, I was still having the whole my powder goes muddy on myself kind of shit. I have no idea why my clients look amazing and then I left looking like I've just like been a pig rolling in mud, but that's no more. Like, this amazing bad boy is a mixture of your synthetic and sable brush. Is it goat? I think it might be goat hair and synthetic hair. I didn't research too hard, but let me just say this brush is awesome at giving a really beautiful diffused bronze glow, or amazing at really defining cheekbones. So you can get in there and contour with this bad boy, or you can do an all over buffing bronzed warm kind of effect on the face. It's awesome. And I really love the ridges in the handles, in that your thumb and your fingers just sit in there beautifully. Like, it's all it's like when you get that Coke bottle and there's a non-slip grip. Like, this is the Coke bottle non-slip grip of brushes. I love it. It's awesome, and I can't lie when I say when I pull it out of my kit I feel a little bit luxe, a little bit bougie, a little bit, you know, cute, because it's gorgeous and it's just so soft and etc. So there you beauties have it. That is my top 5 brushes that I'm loving at the moment that I've got from Sephora. I should have just said it, top Zoeva brushes, top Zoeva brushes, because 4 of them are Zoeva brushes. But I mean, once you find a good thing, you can't kind of not get on that. I don't know. I just bought them all at once and they just happened to be Zoeva. Zoeva. I don't know how to say it, but her brand, it's awesome. They're really good, if I can recommend, if you're starting out in makeup as a freelancer, or if you're wanting some tools to kind of upskill yourself, because I really think that great tools help with great makeup application. And those are my top 5 that I've recently got from Sephora. If you like my video, guys, again, just like or comment and subscribe, and I will catch you in my next video. Have an awesome whatever. Okay, bye, see ya.